In this video you will learn about Chapter 2 Physics Class 9, and these are 15 most important next for APA teaching jobs and other competitive exams. Test time 8.
Here are 50 MCQs for Chapter 2 Kinematics of Class 9 Physics.
1. What is the branch of physics that deals with motion without considering its causes? Kinematics. 2. What is the SI unit of displacement? Meter m. 3. What is the shortest distance between 2 points? Called displacement. 4. What is the total length of a path covered by an object? Distance. 5. What is the SI unit of speed? Meter per second ms. 6. What is the speed of an object in a particular direction? Called velocity. 7. What is the rate of change of velocity? Called acceleration. 8. What is the acceleration of an object moving with constant velocity? 0. 9. What does a straight horizontal line on a velocity time graph represent? Constant velocity. 10. What does the slope of a velocity time graph represent? Acceleration. 11. What does the area under a velocity time graph represent? Displacement. 12. What is the velocity of a body at a particular instant? Called instantaneous velocity. 13. What type of quantity is displacement? Vector. 14. What type of quantity is distance? Scalar. 15. What type of motion occurs when velocity changes with time? Accelerated motion. 16. What is the SI unit of acceleration? Meter per second squared ms. 17. What is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth? 9.8 ms. 18. What is the equation of motion that relates final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, and time? V equals U plus at. 21. What is the motion of a freely falling body under gravity? Called free fall. 22. What is the velocity of a body thrown vertically upward at its highest point? 0. 25. What is the change in velocity per unit time? Called acceleration. 26. What is the acceleration of a body moving with uniform velocity? 0. Thanks for watching. More Mcqs and notes are available. Testtime8.wordpress.com